Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add your Capital One card to Apple Wallet so you can start using Apple Pay on your iPhone. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. Once it's open, tap the plus sign in the top corner of the screen. Then select Debit or Credit Card. Next, follow the instructions on your screen to add your Capital One card. You can scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. Once your card information is entered, review the terms and accept them to continue. You may also need to verify your card through a one-time code sent by Capital One. After verification is complete, your Capital One card will be added to your Apple Wallet. You can also choose to set it as your default card for Apple Pay if you'd like. Once your card is set up, you can start using Apple Pay right away. You can pay in stores, in apps, and online anywhere you see the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbols. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you add your Capital One card to Apple Wallet, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.